Want to know how to disable or enable location access in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your TaskRabbit application and make sure you are logged in. We've also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface, and you can just simply head towards your profile, and on the settings, you can just simply disable or enable location, or you can just simply head back, hold on to your TaskRabbit application, head towards its app settings, and make sure you honor permissions. So right here you should be seeing app permissions, just like that. And now your location should be not allowed. You can just simply allow it or don't allow as you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.